So this is number 11 on your practice test 7C Iffat, where you're basically asked to determine the value of A and B. And I started with the value of B because I know that A doesn't affect variance or standard deviation, but B does. So I went to what the information that was given to me about the standard deviation of X, and one of our rules for variances says that the variance of y will be equal to the number multiplied by x squared times the variance of x. Well, that formula can be rewritten in terms of standard deviation. If you square root everything in that equation, then the standard deviation of y is equal to b times the standard deviation of x. So let's plug in what we know. We know the standard deviation of y is 1. We want to find b, and we know the standard deviation of x is 20. So to find b, we have to divide both sides by 20, and we find that b must be equal to 0.05. Well, now that I found b, finding a is pretty simple. Again, using the rule to describe y, we know to find the mean of y, we merely need to substitute the mean of x in for x. So let's plug in everything we know again. We're told the mean of y is 0. We're trying to find a. We now know that b is 0.05. And we were told that the mean of x was 1,400. 1,400 times 0.05 is 70. We have to subtract 70 from both sides. And therefore we find that a is equal to -70. I hope that helps.